Que pasa, my YouTube friends? About 2 weeks ago, I said I was doing this whole personal challenge, which I have. I haven't been able to record a lot of my meals and runnings and whatever it is, but I skipped last week, and I'm just saying, I'm just going to show you a little clips following this. I missed last week's video due to life and whatever. I'm retaking this. Missed last week for whatever reason, which is not neither your fault or mine. Yes, it's all my fault, but stay tuned. Here's a couple of clips of me running, a little whatever, a little measurement here and there. Seems to be kind of working, but for now, just stay tuned. Follow up. See ya.
What's up, people? This is your boy Jmel316. 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 Again with another video, another rant, another something for you to listen to. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share there.
This is day 2 on my personal running, lose my belly challenge. About to get on this hamster wheel right quick. Hopefully, this don't look too weird. Look like a damn, look like a damn, look like a damn, look like a damn, look like a damn. So, what else can I say? Day 2, 2, 4, 2, whatever. Day 2, personal challenge, my own. I am competing against myself, not you, not anybody else. About to get on this. Day 2. Oh, fuck. 1 mile, 12 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm hurt. I'm old. Woo! I'm not gonna quit. Monday through Friday, 4 weeks. Let's do it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I already did my outro there. That's the part you're gonna see. Done. Whew. Week 2. Talk to my buddy Ty. He's all about fitness. He's been doing this for years. He works out about 7 days a week. He works out about 9 days a week, 700 days a year, 36 hours a freaking day. So he recommended that I continue to run on an incline, and he also told me that at the end of my 4 weeks, 2 more weeks, he's gonna have a training program for me that he wants me to do for like a couple of weeks, a month or so. So I'm gonna be doing that next. During the past week, I've been eating pretty reasonable. Not running as much as I said I was going to, but out of 5 days, I did 3 out of 5. Horrible, disappointed, life got in the way. But the eating did pretty good. About an inch probably off the waist. I have no idea how I accomplished that. Just food, I guess. I don't know if I was measuring myself right the first time, but did the tape a couple of times and they all the same freaking measurement today. So it's like about an inch something less than last week. Definitely the weight is sustainable for the last couple of days. I've been weighing myself morning, night, whatever it is, and it's right around 191, 190. It's like very consistent on the weight. So the food is doing wonders. Let's see what happens next week. I will definitely post something. Yeah, I'm a little beat. This week starts, like I said, week 2. Anything from 1.5 miles up, at least I want to do 4 more days. But hopefully life won't get in the way. Check out Ty's YouTube page. Give him some love. He probably got about 2 subscribers, me being 1 and probably himself being the other one. But a good guy. It's all about fitness. He's gonna want to grow. He's gonna want support. You got any questions, send him some type of text, email, whatever it is that you could do. And I'm exhausted. I'm gonna eat. All right. Love you guys. Share the joy. Share it with me. Oh, wait. I'm sharing it with you. This is my journey. Hopefully, I'm doing the right thing by you guys by showing you my life, my lifestyle, fitness, and working on a new thing. For those who are going to watch this, by the time you see this, you're probably who knows, working on a new thing, new segment that I'm going to do. You know that I have my what's on my mind, which I haven't spoken about what's on my mind a couple of weeks. I'm going to do this personal fitness challenge. It starts with this running. After this, going to be the weight training. And the next segment that I'm going to do is the Am I Wrong for This? The reason why I'm doing the Am I Wrong for This is because a lot of people keep telling me, Jay, you're wrong for that. This, you're wrong for that. So guess what? So I'm going to ask you, am I wrong for this? 10 questions, 10 scenarios. You're going to tell me whether am I wrong or not. And if you want to chime in, which I'm going to take advice from my friends, see if they're wrong for what they're telling me. So for you that need it, for those who want it, I will be your voice. So if you want to know if you're wrong for something, let me know and I'll put it out there. We'll get you the answers to see if you're wrong or not. Tune in. As always, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, share, little bell notification so you can be notified when my shenanigans are up. And as always, love you. Stay with me. I'm out. Peace.